Hi there, and welcome to this video on Fusion 360's fused filament fabrication print settings and body presets. This video will show the new print settings user interface, as well as how the body presets can be used to assign different print settings to different bodies on a print bed. The project in this video can be accessed from the samples folder in Fusion 360. Simply navigate to CAM Samples, Additive Manufacturing and FFF to find the project. This project will be used to create a printed part showcasing all the infill patterns available for FFF in Fusion 360. To begin, having created a setup, selected a printer and print setting, the next step is to navigate to the Additive tab in the Manufacturing workspace and select Print Settings Library. From here, select Fusion 360 Library and filter by FFF on the right. Select the PLA 2.85mm print setting and copy it to your My Print Settings library. Once copied, click the pencil icon to edit. This opens the new Print Settings Editor dialog. The print settings have been divided up between General and Body preset. General print settings contain settings that apply to all bodies on the print bed, whereas Body preset print settings contain settings that can be applied per body, meaning different bodies can have different body presets. The default body presets for each of the print settings are normal and strong. Each one has the following options: duplicate, make default, or delete. The duplicate will create a new body preset based on the selection, and make default will mean any bodies on the print bed will be assigned to this body preset by default. Delete will simply delete the selected body preset. Delete the strong body preset. Duplicate the normal and rename this to Infill 1. Next, edit the following settings: number of top layers to 0, and make sure the infill is set to gyroid. Now, duplicate this setting for each of the infill patterns available, ensuring each one has a different infill pattern. Finally, rename the print setting and click OK on the Print Settings editor. Having created all the body presets, they now need to be assigned to the individual cube bodies on the print bed. First, edit the setup and select the print setting we have just created. Right-click on the print setting in the setup and select Assign Body Presets. This opens a new dialog where each body preset can now be assigned to each individual cube body on the print bed. This can be done by selecting the preset in the dialog and then the body. Once all the presets have been assigned, OK the dialog. Generate the toolpath and simulate to check the result. Great, the simulation looks exactly as expected. Select Post Process to create the print file. Upload to your printer and enjoy having a model showing all the FFF infills in Fusion 360. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please reach out on the Fusion 360 forums at forums.autodesk.com.